What if I told you those dried bay leaves you usually ignore can quietly turn your plants greener and stronger? Most people never realize their real power. Take a few dried bay leaves and grind them into a fine powder. Bay leaves are rich in natural oils and minerals that help strengthen plant immunity and improve overall growth. Now add 1 tablespoon of bay leaf powder into 1 liter of water. As you mix, this releases nutrients that support root development and improve soil health. Let it sit overnight so the water fully absorbs all the goodness. The next day, strain the liquid and pour it slowly at the base of your plants. Always water near the roots, not on the leaves, so nutrients go directly where they're needed most. Use this once a week for tomatoes, peppers, cucumbers, or any growing plants. Bay leaves also have a natural scent that helps keep away pests like snails, aphids, and small insects without harming your plants, but don't overuse it. Too much can overwhelm the soil. Keep it balanced for the best results. Try this simple method and watch your plants respond naturally,